I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's a white-breasted nuthatch. It's not great video. There's a few places where the pictures are much clearer, but I'm pretty sure it's a white-breasted nuthatch. I've never seen one on the ground. I've always seen them in trees, so it was kind of interesting to watch it hopping around. More pictures of the resident creeper, scaling trees, looking for bugs. Um, Interesting stuff for sure. Hard to follow with a camera, for definitely sure. Several clips of the hooded merganser, some of which are just swimming. I believe that they are looking into the water to see what there is around. The water's pretty shallow there, so if you, even with it's murk, if you look in to the water, you might find something interesting. And I believe they look around. You know, the eyes seem to just go right into the water, and they look, and eventually they dive. I believe it comes up with a crayfish and fights it a while. I don't know if it actually swallows it or if it gets away. It just seems to be how it goes. This last clip, not very good video, is of what I think is a Veery, but I really do not know. I'm not sure if I've ever seen a Veery. So anybody who knows, let me know.